right, we have some big news coming in with regards to the NEET investigation that's now being carried out by the CBI. The Central Bureau of Investigation there has filed an FIR in connection with the alleged irregularities in NEET UG examinations. So this is a big development here with the CBI cracking right from the word go. They've registered an FIR over alleged irregularities in NEET UG examinations. Remember, there has been a lot of suspicion on paper leaks, and considering that the NTA hasn't really declared a re-examination, the CBI really now trying to get to the bottom of this. And in the latest, what we hear, soon after the case has been handed over to the CBI now gets cracking, files an FIR in connection with alleged irregularities within the NEET UG examination. The process itself has been flawed. There have been fingers pointed at the government for not ensuring a smooth, transparent and clean NEET examinations. It is a competitive exams where students, lakhs of them, and their future is pinned on it. Now, they claim that the examinations were, or at least the fact that the paper was leaked itself ruins the credibility of these examinations, and NEET students who really tried hard to accomplish and crack that score to get into good medical colleges are all now up in arms asking for a re-examination of NEET. Now, while re-examination hasn't been announced, we see that the CBI has taken up the case and has already gotten cracking. First FIR has been filed in the NEET UG suspected irregularity. Shreya joining us, our correspondent on the phone line, tracking this closely. Shreya, please give us more on what the FIR details really say. CBI has taken up the case barely in 24 hours. The first FIR filed on NEET irregularities.
So yes, this comes after yesterday the Ministry of Education had notified that the Central Bureau of Investigation will now be investigating the irregularities in the NEET matter. It is one thing to be clarified that this is not a takeover of the Bihar EOU case, which is already being investigated so far as the Bihar alleged paper leak is concerned. This is a new case that has been filed by the CBI. They will be looking into irregularities, cheating, impersonation and malpractices, the information that has been received of the NEET exam that was conducted on the 5th of May. So finally the CBI has registered the investigation and they will be starting investigation in this particular matter.
All right, thanks very much, Shreya, for joining us. Of course, the NTA has a new chief now, and while that's said, and there is a refreshed approach towards conducting these examinations in the future, the current problem at hand that needs to be dealt with, we see the CBI taking up the case and the first FIR that's been filed with this regard. And amid all this controversy, NEET PG examinations, which was due to be happening today, has been postponed. It literally happened 10 hours before the scheduled examinations, and this was done as precautionary measure, of course leaving several aspirants dismayed. Many of them were travelling from one destination to the other. They had their flight tickets booked, their accommodation sorted, paid for, and eventually the examinations itself were cancelled. Let's take a quick look at all the examination centres, different ones from across the country, how they responded.
This morning, let me get you one, the situation, how it looks like the outside such examination center. All these examinations carried out online as such facilities, like one there in Noida sector 62. So all of a sudden this morning, 7:38, few students came to inquire about beyond this point. Of course, the security personnel did not allow them. And here all I see, this notice has been placed here, which says that Ministry of Health in notice has decided to postpone the schedule to be held tomorrow. So clearly this notice was pasted last night. Another says fresh date for NEET PG will be notified at the earliest. The third is very important. The decision has been taken by the government in the best interest of the students and to maintain the sanctity of examination process. So government did not give any reason why this examination has been postponed. Is it because of the leakage of the paper? There have been a paper leak, so clearly there is no words on that. आपका एग्जाम था आज? जी. कब पता चला आपको कि एग्जाम पोस्टपोन हुआ है?
रात को लगभग 11 बजे।
कितने स्टूडेंट्स थे लगभग जो अपीयर होने वाले थे नीट पीजी पे?
लगभग 2.5 लाख स्टूडेंट होंगे।
So ये अभी जो डेवलपमेंट that you are seeing, the CBI probe being ordered, the NTA DG being removed, so the sequence of incident that you have noticed, how do you react on that being a NEET PG aspirant?
देखो ये तो पता नहीं CBI क्या कर रही है, बट एग्जाम देने के लिए आए थे, रात से रुके हुए हैं, दूर से आए हैं तो थोड़ा परेशान तो हुए हैं।
कहाँ से आए हैं?
मैं होटल से आया हूँ, पलवल से।
पलवल से, और रात में यहीं रुके हुए?
रात में ही रुके हुए।
जैसे बहुत सारे हमने स्टूडेंट देखे जो माता पिता के साथ अलग शहरों में गए, वहाँ होटलों में रुके थे, सुबह की तैयारी थी। सबसे मैं ये भी जानना है घर वालों का रिएक्शन क्या था, क्योंकि पूरे साल की मेहनत आप लोगों की थी और माता पिता भी उतने ही शामिल हो जाते हैं, वो क्या कह रहे थे?
कुछ नहीं कह रहे, अभी एग्जाम पोस्टपोन हुआ है तो 15-20 दिन बाद वो कह रहे हैं कि पढ़ाई करो, डेट आएगी तब तक पढ़ाई करो।
मनोबल पर और मानसिक स्थिति पर कितना असर पड़ता है इस तरह की घटनाओं?
देखो, मनोबल पे तो असर पड़ता ही है, कोई एग्जाम की तैयारी कर रहे हैं वो पोस्टपोन हो जाए तो फिर कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल तो थोड़ा सा और पढ़ना पड़ेगा।
The controversial NEET exam is reconducted, and right now I'm here at Chandigarh sector 44 St. Joseph schools where the exams been conducted and centers been made. You can see the list here mentioning the roll numbers for two students who are coming here to give exams, and the time is from 11 a.m. to 1:30 in which they can enter the examination hall. And right now you can see the security as well, the school persons or the teachers or the NTA officials and the principals with all question papers and the preparations went inside the school because this school is made center here, and you can see the board here which all suggestions and advisory been issued to the students that they cannot carry the gadgets, preparation for the security, question papers, because it went into a controversy. So school also being a center seems to be more precautionary and careful regarding the NEET exam that's been reconducted here. With cameraman Girish Durgapal, this is Aman Bhardwaj for India Today, Chandigarh.
ये एनटी वालों ने एंड टाइम पे 10 घंटे पहले बताया कि आप हमारी एग्जाम आज रीशेड्यूल हो रही है। लोग वहां पहुंच गए हैं, लोगों ने बहुत अच्छी तैयारी कर रखी है, अभी बहुत परेशानी हो रही है।